Hi, my name's Emmy Broomfield and I'm a voice and communication coach here at the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama in London, UK. Let's begin by thinking about what it means to find our voice. Speech and voice training has been a central component of actor training for generations. But if you don't come from that world, your voice is not necessarily something you've ever spent that much time thinking about. Maybe you don't like your voice at this stage. That's quite common. But we're really often not taught in society how we can change it. And through this course, you're going to find some tips and techniques that will help you take what you already have, but find new options with it. What do we mean by professional voice then? So in this context, we purely mean a voice that is used at work. And that could be any kind of work. Maybe you have to speak on the phone often at work. Maybe you give presentations. Maybe you have to pitch for new business and you don't like what's happening at the moment. So through this course, we will take voice within a workplace setting, but we will apply some of the things that are learnt in actor training to bring that voice to life. We're going to look at meaning and intention, things that sit right at the heart of actor training. And we're going to bring them into the workplace setting. Each voice is unique, and each person is individual in how they experience this kind of work. There's no rights or wrongs. What works for you may not work for your colleague, and what works for your friend may not work for you. So I encourage you to approach this course with self-compassion and curiosity. Try things out as we speak about them. Try them in your workplace, see if it has a different impact. But most of all, go through this course knowing that all professional voice means is voice used in the workplace, but we're not looking for a certain voice. There is no perfect voice. All there is options to take your voice to a new level.